Now this one is opposite to double top strategy. This is double bottom strategy. This is exactly same as double top strategy. However, we were facing resistance there. Here we have to look for the support. If the price action candle is going down and it takes sharp reversal from some support, goes up, take some resistance somewhere here, and then comes back to test the same strong support. Now if it is taking a sharp reversal again on the second second attempt, this is our trade setup, and we wait for our two green candle confirmations and then we enter the trade. Stop loss remains the same, exit remains the same. Yeah, let's see what the chart is saying in the next page. Entry we have talked, exit yes, stop loss already told you, it's a 3 minutes time frame. All day trading are done on 3 minutes. Yeah, all positional are done on 30 minutes. However, our analysis will be done on 3 minutes, 30 minutes, one daily time frame, yeah, so on, or weekly also. Indicators are default, intraday, quantity as per position sizing. We have to keep stop loss somewhere here. Now here is a chart explanation for double bottom strategy. Again, Nifty 50 indices and 3 minutes time frame. We see price action candle coming down. It took support somewhere here and then went up, faced resistance on this CPR, came down, and again the same support is tested. Once it takes reversal, we wait for two green candle confirmation. Because the first candle itself was long and green, we consider this as green, and second is this, so we take entry somewhere here. Yeah, and same thing happens. We exit when the day ends somewhere around 3 o'clock. Somewhere here we close, or 1:2 risk reward ratio, or if there is any resistance coming, or we trail and the trail stop loss hits. Now, very important point. Remember, I told you if the market is going up and there is any resistance ahead, don't take that trade. But we took this trade. Why? There was resistance. Why we took this trade? Okay. Remember, I told you CPRs are not very effective in afternoon sessions. In somewhere around after 12 o'clock, the afternoon session when starts, the CPR power gets weaker, and this is what has happened here. See, the price action candle was coming down, but it took support somewhere here, and then when it went up, but somewhere around 12:15, 12:10, somewhere around 12 o'clock, the price action candle actually easily managed to break the support of CPR, and then it started again because it is the afternoon session. So coming back, why we have taken this trade? Because it was afternoon session, we have entered this trade, because we already know the afternoon session for CPR are not very strong, and we got our trigger. We are working with strict stop loss, and we already know our trading plan, so it is absolutely fine. We are following our rules. We can enter this. Such trades are very common in market. I told you about double bottom and double top or top strategy. They're very common in the market and give good returns. Yeah.